Hey guys, guess what? I got my motorcycle license. I passed the written test for the motorcycle license. All I have to do is come back in the morning and we will do our rider's skills test on the range. But we took the test today in class after like 4 hours of him teaching us and doing group activities, and I had to read a lot out loud, and which made me nervous. It was a 25 question test, a lot of trick questions that really stressed me out, but he graded them as soon as class was over, and he's like, Clark, he called it out loud to the whole class, he's like, Clark, we'll see you tomorrow, you passed, you did good. I was like, yes. I'm freaking sighed, man. He was like, is that a sigh of relief? I was like, yes sir. He's like, we'll see you tomorrow, buddy. I was like, all right, man, let's go. So right now I'm heading back to the hotel to chill. A much needed chill break sesh. Watch some TV, you know, may record some there and talk with y'all a little bit. But oh my gosh, I am so relieved and excited at the same time. And I'm just so happy, dude. I'm so happy I got that part over with. So half of it's done. Like I said, I will be on the course early in the morning and to see if I can complete the 4 different skills test maneuvers that he's gonna grade me on, and then I will have my motorcycle license. I will just have to go to the DMV after this, which is gonna be freaking epic. I am almost getting my motorcycle license. I'm so excited, dude. I was like, whoo! Nice little townsy. Bro, did I just say townsy? Good morning. It is 6:42 a.m. Today is Friday. Today's the day where I go to the course and we do some more exercises and training before our final skills test on the motorcycles. I already passed the written test yesterday. I'm relieved on that, but this is one more part to go. I have a good feeling though. This one dude came up to me and said, you look like you have some experience on a bike. I said, well, I've ridden a dirt bike for a few years when I was a little kid, and then recently got back into it. That's what led me to get my license for street riding. And I said, bro, I'm just here to get my license, homie. And he laughed and he said, me too, but I'm sorry, I'm not that enthusiastic this morning. I didn't sleep that good. A lot of people being loud in my hotel, but it's alright. We got some fruit and nut trail mix here to keep us going, and some coffee, you already know. Alright, homies, I will be back with y'all when this is over. Pray for me, wish me luck, but we got this, fam. Let's get it. Here we go, homies. We are on the way there. I'll be there in about 6 minutes. The good thing is the hotel I got, it's only like 3 miles away from the course. So that's been a very convenient thing, and I'm glad I chose that hotel.
At the next light, turn left.
But like I said, I'm excited and nervous. This is the final day. Hope everything goes well. And I'm pretty sure we have to complete 4 different maneuvers: stopping, braking, curves, and turning. Wait, I already said turning, bro. That's what curves are. Shaking my head. Swerving is the last one, I think. You gotta properly swerve. Look at all those birds. Holy crap. I don't know if y'all can see them, but there was like 300 of them. That's crazy, because that was the same spot they were in yesterday when I was coming to the the first day on the course. Crazy, bruh. There's some Raisin Canes. How many of y'all like Raisin Canes? In the comments below, tell me what y'all think about Raisin Canes. 10 being the best, 1 being the worst. Bruh, I give it a 9. Sheesh. What a day, and it hasn't even started yet. This is the place. I want to see if y'all can see the place up here. The place. There's a Town East Mall water tower. It's freaking ginormous. Is ginormous a word? It's like enormous and gigantic. I don't know, it's too early for that, bruh. It's too early for that, bruh. Alright, there's the motorcycles all lined up. Oh my god, does he have a GoPro? Is he recording us? Sir, you can't film us. This is public property, my guys. There they are. They're all waiting. There they is. Alright guys, wish me luck. Oof. Squaw! Just got done with the motorcycle skills driving test. We had to do 4 maneuvers. I aced all 4, I'm pretty sure. Bro, I am so hyped. And I'm exhausted. I'm freaking exhausted, dude. It was like 105 heat index in Mesquite, Texas, and I was sweating so hard with this gear on. Oh my gosh, but I'm so relieved. Now we have to go to the DMV, hand them 2 forms of identification, and then they present me with my motorcycle endorsement. Oh my gosh, it was well worth it. Now I'm currently driving back home, and I get to relax for the rest of the evening. It is 12:30. We let out pretty early today. Oh my gosh, dude. I was so nervous, but it was awesome because I'm known to over prepare, and I did this in college as well. People were coming up to me telling me I looked like I was experienced, which I only have experience on a dirt bike. But everyone was, even the instructor was basically telling everyone, they're like, watch this guy, do it like this guy. So that kind of made me feel good to know that I was one of the best ones out there. Not to sound bad, but I'm just glad I was, because there was a lot, there was, I think, 3 or 4 people that had no experience at all, so it made me more comfortable. So everything worked out, man. Everything worked out perfect, and I thank God. I'm so blessed to be able to have this experience. And now I'm gonna get to take y'all on road journeys with 2 GoPros, different camera angles. So I'm really excited about that. And yeah, guys, I'm on the way back to my hometown. I will be there in about an hour and a half. This is my completion card to go turn into the DMV to get my motorcycle license, my endorsement, motorcycle operator training course completion card. Now y'all know my first name. Don't hate on me, homies. Yes, my first name is Garrett. Garrett Bryce Clark. Let's go, dude. Hyped. Get hyped. We are at Whataburger. I'm gonna get probably some chicken strips and a Dr. Pepper. You know what I mean, brother? You gotta get a Dr. Pepper. Oh man, there's Burger King right down there too. It's very tempting. And these people behind me, they let me in. Super nice, because I was waiting out there. Sometimes Whataburger takes a while to move on up, but it's no problem. That's what I like. I like quality. It's that quality kind of food. Hey, we're making progress. Progress is good. Progress is good. I need a number 13 with gravy.
And the drink.
A Dr. Pepper.
Anything else?
And a small vanilla shake.
Okay.
That's it.
1203 at the window.
Thank you. Let's go. Let's go. That's fine.
In half a mile,
Thank you.
take a slight left turn
You
to
too.
merge onto US 175 East.
I hear you, navigation. That was a nice girl. Y'all have to see this or y'all would think I was lying. You know Whataburger, how it's when you order chicken strips, it's three piece combo. That's all they offer. Look at this, bro. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, bro. What? 10 chicken strips? Bro, on the day I passed the motorcycle license test. Are you kidding me? 10. Oh my gosh. What is happening? It is my day. It is my day, guys. Oh my gosh. I think I'm more shocked on this than passing the test. I think I'm more surprised on how many chicken strips they gave me on a 3-piece combo. Bruh, what is this? What are those? How many of you have done this? Take a handful of fries, dip it in ketchup, then go straight to the gravy and cover them. It has to be ketchup first because the ketchup sticks and the gravy covers. Oh my God, bro. You gotta try it if you haven't. I am so relieved and excited. I don't know what else to say. I'm glad that's over with. I'm heading back home. All I have to do now is go to the DMV, give them 2 forms of ID, and then I'll get my motorcycle license endorsement. So that's pretty awesome. And now I get to go search for a motorcycle I want to buy. I'll probably get a Honda CBR 500 or 650 or something like that. Oh my goodness. And then get it registered, insured, inspected, the usual stuff. And then I'll be able to take y'all on journeys.